What's going on YouTube? Today I'm going to review the 3 Plus mag extension for the TAURUS GX2. Overall, I mean, it's pretty nice. Let's see if I can get it to focus. I think the lighting is bad. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's 3D printed. You can obviously tell that it is. I would have liked it to be some form of, at least plastic. But it looks great on the gun. You can see. And then this is just the mag extension, so you're able to fit 3 more bullets into the mag.